Meet the machine that makes fitting and welding child's play. The easiest to use, most flexible, automated welding machine designed for the steel fabrication industry, the Fabricator. This system makes sure your end-to-end welding process runs as seamless and accurate as possible. And this all starts in the works preparation office. The first step of the fabrication process is acquiring the right BIM files for your software of choice, like Tekla or SDS2. Through seamless integration of Logic Steel CAD/CAM, this couldn't be easier. You simply export it to the Logic Steel cloud with 2 clicks, one for the extension panel and one for the export button. Piece of cake, right? But watch this. During the export process, CAD/CAM will automatically run a doability check. Using all available model data, it will automatically assess your model based on dimensions and material and present it to you in a neat overview. In this overview, you're able to check which parts are doable by the Fabricator and which parts aren't. But CAD/CAM will also distinguish partially doable assemblies. In this section, you will see why these are only partially doable, so you can already plan ahead for manual welding. Also during export, CAD/CAM will check the model for any faults, like incomplete welds, overlapping welds, clashing welds, or even missing welds. And even better, it has been automatically fixing them.
The Fabricator is very efficient out of the box. But with a little bit of standardizing in your detailing, you can increase your efficiency drastically. A lot of steel fabricators choose to weld connection plates to the main portals like this. But when you choose to weld your connection plates to the columns, it suddenly becomes doable for the Fabricator. This results in the Fabricator welding your standardized connections, while your skilled welders are reserved for welding complex connections.